By the late 1990s, BC had about a quarter of all of the coastal temperate rainforest that was left in the world. That is an enormous responsibility for British Columbia, and also our opportunity to give that gem back to the world.
When we started this campaign, the area was known as the Mid-Coast Timber Supply Area, and every valley almost was slated to be roaded and logged. The logging companies were very angry. We were the ones who were making their lives difficult.
And the tensions were high. If you can picture Greenpeace sitting across the table from a logger. And we were stuck in the same room, and we had to come up with solutions.
Failure was not an option with this process. We had to succeed.